Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. We are driving through Bull Bay, and this is if you look on the left and on the right of this road, you'll see some construction going on, and that is the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this section of the highway, the section that runs from Bull Bay to Harborview, is going to be 4 lanes. Now this part of the Southern Coastal Highway is going to use the existing road, which is 2 lanes, and it's going to be expanded into 4 lanes. So the path of the highway from Harborview Bridge to Bull Bay goes along the existing road. The road will be just extended from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Now when you get to the section from Bull Bay to what's the name of that place? Bull Bay to Southern Coast Adventure Park. That part of the road is going to be a new road. Those 4 lanes were there was no existing road there. The highway takes a new path there, and that road was cut through the hill. We have videos up of that section as well, so you can search the channel for construction Southern Coastal Highway and you'll see it. Okay, so the Southern Coastal Highway is 110 kilometers long, and it runs from Portland to Harborview, and it's going to be built in sections. Some parts of the road will be 4 lanes, some part will be 2 lanes, some part will be like the Harborview to Bull Bay section will be the existing road. It is just going to be expanded to 4 lanes. Some sections they build a completely new road through the mountain, and at the end of the day the highway is going to run from Port Antonio in Portland to Harborview in St. Andrew, and it's going to go through the parishes of St. Andrew, St. Thomas and Portland. So this section now that we're looking at, though, as you can see, this was the main road, so naturally you're going to find structures right up against the main road. So a lot of structures had to be removed so that the highway could pass through. And those structures include homes, churches, schools, clinics, grocery shops, hairdressing parlors, commercial businesses, retail establishments, and even a part of the Bull Bay football field. Now this is a very large undertaking. It's going to cost $59 billion to build, and China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor. They are the ones who do most of the highways in Jamaica. Okay, so this highway is actually going to be built in sections. So you have 7 sections. You have section 1A, which is Kingston to Yalos. Then you have section 1B, which is from Yalos to Morant Bay. Then you have section 1C, which is Morant Bay to Manchinol. And then 1D is Manchinol to Boston. And then Boston to Ferry Hill. And then Ferry Hill to Williamsfield. And then Williamsfield to Port Antonio. Okay, so the Kingston to Yalos route, that is the section we're looking at now, and this section is going to be the road alignment, or the new road, the Southern Coastal Highway, will begin at the Harborview Bridge. And as you'll see in a little bit, the Harborview Bridge is already 4 lanes. The main road leading from the Harborview roundabout towards Bull Bay is actually 4 lanes. So the Southern Coastal Highway will begin at the Harborview Bridge, and the road alignment begins at the eastern end of the Harborview Bridge. It continues eastward adjacent to the main road leading to 11 miles in Bull Bay. At 11 miles in Bull Bay, the Southern Coastal Highway will take a new path. It will no longer follow the existing road. It will cut through the mountains, and the road diverts south at 11 miles towards the Sun Coast Adventure Park. And then at the Sun Coast Adventure Park, it rejoins the existing road leading towards Grand Spend, then continues from Grand Spend to Albion in St. Thomas, and then it will continue from Albion to the western end of the Yellows Bridge. So that's the first section, and that's the section that we are driving through now. We're actually driving from Bull Bay towards Harborview, and you can see on the left the section has been widened and the road has been cleared on the left side. So that is where the 2 additional lanes will be put to make it 4 lanes. And so between Harborview and Albion in St. Thomas, it's going to be 4 lanes, and it's going to be a dual carriageway. From Albion to the Yellows Bridge is going to be 2 lanes. Okay, so this is still Bull Bay, and we're heading towards the Harborview area. So you can clearly see the construction work going on the left side of this road, where the section has been cleared or is being cleared. So the government has this plan to, basically the Southern Coastal Highway will join the Northern Coastal Highway in Port Antonio. So from Kingston to Port Antonio, you can travel on the Southern Coastal Highway, and then from Port Antonio to Negril, you can travel on the Northern Coastal Highway. And then, although this section of the road has not been determined yet, but there's going to be, the Southern Coastal Highway has 2 sections. One is from Harborview to Port Antonio, and another section is from Negril to Mandeville. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on this project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.